Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best GoPro Hero Charger is probably one of the most essential accessories for any action camera enthusiast, ensuring your adventures are never cut short by a dead battery. This device is designed to efficiently power up your GoPro Hero camera, allowing you to capture those breathtaking moments without interruption. Whether you're scaling mountains, diving into the ocean, or simply exploring your local trails, having a reliable charger means your camera is always ready for action, making it an indispensable tool for content creators and thrill seekers alike. Number 5. TELESIN Triple Charger Case for GoPro Hero 12-11-10-9. This versatile case serves as both a protective storage box and a charger, capable of powering up 3 batteries simultaneously. It also keeps your batteries safe from dust and moisture. Engineered with the same chip as the original equipment, it ensures safe and reliable charging without harming your camera. You can trust its performance. Its small, lightweight design makes it incredibly easy to carry in your bag, perfect for on-the-go adventures. Charge it anywhere using its Type-C port. Keep your action camera running longer with these high-capacity replacement batteries. Record every moment without interruption, as they offer the best performance. Charge 3 batteries fully in just 2.5 hours. The indicator lights clearly show charging status, and it's protected against all common charging hazards. Rest assured with comprehensive safety protections and a 12-month warranty. We offer 24-hour email support for any questions you may have. What we like. This charger offers 2 solutions in one, acting as both a storage box and a triple battery charger. If you need to keep your batteries safe and charged simultaneously, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want a streamlined charging solution for their GoPro. What people say. The charger is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It charges the GoPro batteries quickly and efficiently. The dual charging capability allows you to charge 2 batteries simultaneously. Number 4. TELESIN Triple Charger for GoPro Hero 12-11-10-9. Keep your adventures going with this triple charger. It can power up 3 batteries at once in just 2 hours, perfect for quick turnarounds on multi-day trips. Rest assured, it's designed to work perfectly with your original GoPro Hero 9-12 black batteries. The magnetic connectors ensure a secure and uninterrupted charge every time. This charger protects your batteries by automatically stopping when they're full. It also has built-in safeguards against overheating and short circuits for safe use anywhere. Take it anywhere. This dual-purpose case stores 3 batteries and 2 SD cards, fitting easily into your bag or pocket. It's even IP54 dust and water resistant for outdoor shoots. Know exactly when your batteries are ready to go. A simple LED indicator shows red while charging and turns green when fully charged, even in low light. What we like. This charger is designed for speed and reliability, capable of charging 3 batteries in just 2 hours. If you're an adventurer who needs quick turnarounds for multi-day trips, this is the one for you. Its durable, travel-ready case also protects your batteries and SD cards. What people say. The charger works great and charges the batteries quickly. It's a compact and portable design, easy to carry around. The dual charging capability allows charging 2 batteries simultaneously, saving time. Number 3. Suptig Portable Charger 7800 mAh Power Bank. Never miss a moment with this powerful portable charger. It's designed to keep your action cameras and other digital devices powered up on the go. This versatile power bank is compatible with a wide range of action cameras, including GoPro, DJI, Picasso, and Insta360, as well as smartphones. Crafted with high-quality, rust-proof materials, it's waterproof up to 98 feet, making it perfect for all your underwater adventures. Featuring advanced Smart Protect technology, it ensures safe and reliable charging, protecting against overheating and short-circuiting. Enjoy upgraded fast charging capabilities. It can directly power your camera or charge its battery, extending your recording time significantly. Fully charged in about 3 hours, this compact power bank features a sleek design with cool blue LED lights to indicate battery level. What we like. This is a powerhouse charger with a huge 7800 mAh capacity, designed to keep all your action cameras running. If you're a professional or an extreme sports enthusiast who needs extended power for multiple devices, this waterproof power bank is ideal. It's built to withstand the elements and keep you shooting longer. What people say. The charger is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It charges the GoPro batteries quickly and efficiently. The dual charging capability allows you to charge 2 batteries simultaneously. Number 2. SCOVEE Mini USB Cable for GoPro Hero. Keep your GoPro Hero cameras powered up and your footage synced with this essential mini USB cable. It's designed for seamless compatibility with your favorite action cameras. Experience rapid charging and swift data transfers with speeds up to 480 megabits per second. This cable ensures your device is ready for action in no time. Enjoy a perfect, stable connection every time. The high-quality connector head slot in easily and stays securely in place for uninterrupted use. Crafted with premium pure copper, this cable offers lower resistivity and superior electrical conductivity for reliable performance. Specifically engineered for a wide range of GoPro Hero models, from Hero 1 to Hero 4. It's the ideal accessory for capturing and managing your adventures. With a convenient 3-foot length, you have enough flexibility to charge and sync your camera without being tied down. What we like. This is a straightforward, reliable charging cable for older GoPro models. If you have a GoPro Hero 1, 2, 3, or 4 and need a simple, durable cable for charging and data transfer, this is your best bet. It offers a secure connection and fast charging for these specific cameras. What people say. The charger works perfectly with my GoPro Hero 9. It charges 2 batteries at once, which is very convenient. The compact design makes it easy to pack for trips. Number 1. GoPro Supercharger Dual-Port Charger. This compact charger is designed to go wherever you do. Its small size makes it the perfect travel companion for all your adventures. Experience incredibly fast charging speeds. It can power up compatible devices by 20 to 70% more than standard chargers, getting you back to capturing moments in no time. Never miss a shot, even during extended recording sessions. This device can keep your camera powered up while you capture time lapses or long videos. No matter where your travels take you, this charger has you covered. It includes AC outlet adapters for the US, UK, EU, and AU. Beyond its fast charging capabilities, it also supports normal charging for all other compatible devices. It works with most USB chargeable gadgets. What we like. This is the official GoPro Supercharger, offering fast charging for compatible devices. If you travel frequently and need a reliable charger that works worldwide, this is an excellent choice. It can even power your GoPro while recording, making it perfect for extended shoots. What people say. It charges the GoPro Hero 10 battery very quickly. The charger has a compact design and is easy to carry around. It can charge 2 batteries simultaneously, which is very convenient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.